Hi there, welcome back. So this is a website audit that I have conducted for one of my client based in Hawaii, United States, and they have a bakery there and where they provide all kinds of baking products, cakes, wedding cakes, different kinds of um, homemade delicacy and whatnot. So when I have audited their website, I have found out some problems that they have on their website, which was hampering their website from getting optimized by Google. So they're kind of having difficult time getting organic traffic because as we know that if you have technical problems in your website, then Google won't give you ranking no matter how well you optimize your content, which means how well you do on-page optimization or on-site optimization. It's not gonna work as long as you have problems in your technical SEO. So you have to solve it. Once you solve it, then Google will crawl and analyze, and once they are satisfied, then they're gonna gradually give you ranking based on the keywords that you have selected to rank for. So on the left column, these are all the matrix that is standard Google optimization criteria that every website should pass in order to come out clean on the Google's ranking factor. So let me just give you a tour. So as you can see that we've got robot.txt, something that they have. So they pass HTML sitemap, they don't have XML sitemap, they have custom 404 page, they don't have. So anything that they don't have, I'm gonna add it to their site, which is gonna solve the problem or the issue that Google has raised regarding their site. And this is a big issue. I mean, if you have technical issues on your website, then like I said earlier, that Google won't give you ranking. And and whether or not if your website is secure, of course your website has to be secure. You need to have SSL implemented on your site, and your website cannot be on both version, both the triple W or non triple W. Um, when you purchase a domain, a lot of time what happens is that you get two version of the domain, with triple W and without the triple W. So what is the problem? The problem arises because Google would treat it as a duplicate website. For an example, when someone log into your website abc.com, then they have a particular content, and when they log into the same website www.abc.com, so it's the same website but it has the two different way of getting in. So Google will consider it as duplicate and may penalize both website for having duplicate content. So it you cannot have um, you know both version of the website. Even if you do, you're gonna have to use the canonical tag to let Google know that, hey, look, this is the same website and I want you to index the triple W or the non triple W version of the website. And meta title, and we know that meta title has some character limitation, something that Google likes, so every website should follow that. Missing meta title, well, you cannot have meta title missing page without a title, so that's going to be an issue. Duplicate meta title will also be an issue. Meta description has character limitation and other factors that needs to be followed. And let me just scroll down a bit. I'm not going to go over to each of them. I'm just giving you an tour just to give you an idea that what we do when we audit a website. And there are different softwares that we use to audit website. In my case, I have the best softwares, is industry standard software. One is Screaming Frog and Website Auditor, and I have both of the software license version. So I don't have any scroll limitation or anything. Even if you have 1 million page, no problem. Let me know. I can check your website and see if you have any issues on your website, technical issue, then I can solve it. and editorial strength. Like I said earlier, that if I start explaining each point, then it's probably going to take couple of days for me to complete the whole spreadsheet. So this is just a mere glimpse of the work that we do when we audit a website. So what we do is to try to find out all the glitches and the problems in regards to technical SEO, in regards to the standard rules set by Google. So all any problem, anything that Google do not like needs to go and be fixed. Once we do that, then Google will be happy, and you're gonna gradually see that your keyword is coming out from the bottom neck. So that's what we do on website audit. I hope this has been informative. Thanks. Bye.